to fulfill all your spiritual quests. For 2 days, you will be able to be a part of 8 workshops by renowned spiritual masters, and we wish you a great stay and lots of good karma.
सोच को बदलो, सितारे बदल जाएंगे। सोच को बदलो, सितारे बदल जाएंगे। नजर को बदलो, नजारे बदल जाएंगे। कश्तियां बदलने का जरूरत नहीं है। कश्तियां मीन्स सफीना, बोट। कश्तियां बदलने का जरूरत नहीं, दिशाओं को बदलो, किनारे बदल जाएंगे। Right? Change your direction and your shore is going to change. Keep this into perspective. Right? The topic given to me is relationship matrix. Atmavarye drashtavya. Learn how to see. Lord Buddha used to say, Iho pasiko. In Pali, Iho means come, pasiko means I will teach you how to see. Now you may say, what is so difficult in seeing? It's very difficult to see, sir. Why did the Vedas say, Atmavarye drashtavya? Learn the art and the acumen of seeing. You think seeing is simple. Same thing the Veda says, same thing I'll apply in your relationship also. Same thing the Veda says, Atmavarye shrotavyam. Learn how to listen. Atmavarye manthavyam. Learn how to think. Because some of us think, many of us think we think, and most of us never think of thinking. Atmavarye nididhyasitavyam. Learn how to meditate. Body is destroyed, yes, body consciousness is destroyed. But look from another paradigm. Actually, body is in consciousness. When body is destroyed, body consciousness is destroyed, but consciousness is not destroyed.
Krishna all the time taught us in Gita regarding ahimsa. And in Mahabharata, he all the time taught regarding hinsa. So, leave apart the duty of the Arjuna. So, at least there should be a balance between ahimsa, and he should mention all these things in Gita.
Right? एक मुहम्मा है, मुहम्मा means mystery. एक मुहम्मा है समझने का, समझाने का। जिंदगी खाब है, ख्वाब है, दीवाने का। हर नफस उम्र गुजिस्ता की है, मैयत फानी। जिंदगी नाम है, मरमर जिए जाने का।
Namaskar. I'm extremely happy to be here for this conference. I really appreciate the Speaking Tree for doing its great job, because so many masters are coming, giving their perspective towards it, and I felt very honored that I could speak to them. People were so receptive. So please make use of this forum of the Speaking Tree. Learn to change your thought, because I always say, some of us think, many of us think we think, and most of us never think of thinking. I think the Speaking Tree gives you a forum to have changed the very thinking paradigm, to change the very feeling paradigm. The whole art of wise living is this: you should maximize on an experience, don't minimize on an experience. I think the Speaking Tree helps you to maximize on the experience of the masters, so that your life can also reach a kind of meridian peak in your life.
Attributing to this thing means anything, means that mic means the fan, means this hotel, means this jagat. There is merry-go-round between philosophers. It is not a merry-go-round, it is a sorrow-go-round. So people get stuck in the sense, including our Visishta Advaita, which says that this jagat is real. This jagat is real. That's ekam. He can stop at ekam. Upanishad can stop at ekam. Upanishad doesn't stop at ekam. It says ekam eva, only one, advitiyam. Otherwise it can become the one that Upanishad is talking about can belong to a set of 3, a set of 5, a set of 10. In a set of 3 there is first, second and third. In a set of 5 there is first, second, third, fourth. No, it doesn't belong to a set. It is only one. Name of the Lord. Like you have a name, I have a name, the Lord has a name given by the Shastra. Oh. It is not a meaningless syllable. Avati rakshati iti Om. That which is, that which protects you is Om. 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 This was the second retreat that has been arranged by Speaking Tree, and this is really a quantum jump in organizing as well as content as well as experience. This quantum ahead from the first one, and really they have spread out. They have been able to reach out to more people and so that they can participate. They have been able to get a lot of masters from different field, and more participants are there, and it is going very well. I am very happy to be a part of it.
Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Ain't got no place to lay your head. Somebody came and took your bed. Gone.
आप क्या? This is जिंदगी, और जिंदगी किताबों में नहीं मिलती है, जिंदगी एहसास में मिलती है. ऐसे ही है जैसे मैं कहती हूँ there is nothing called soul healing. Sorry, मेरा मतलब ये नहीं है कि soul है नहीं आपके पास, पर आपको इस दुनिया में, इस जमीन पे आप इसलिए आए हैं क्योंकि आपको एक बहुत सुंदर सा व्हीकल दिया गया है.
मेरे फाइल्स, मेरे कपड़े, सब कुछ यहाँ वहाँ है. कुछ करती हो कि नहीं घर पे?
What are the different things that are triggering you? And if the husband is getting triggered, he is also falling unwell because of this.
I don't get angry at all.
Now, do you get? This can happen at home. This can happen with the husband talking. It can be screaming, shouting, or going slow. The tonality makes a difference.
He's not going to say, hi, why you have done this? He will shout. He will shout, he will react.
Hello. Finished?
Yes. Hello.
Finished?
Bolo. Bolo. React.
This is also kind of fight.
I acknowledge my mom.
Excellent.
I acknowledge my daughter.
Excellent. Excellent.
I acknowledge my parents.
Excellent.
I acknowledge my mom and my son.
I want you to acknowledge your neighbor and tell them thank you for being there. I'm Anu Mehta, pioneer in the field of meta health and information medicine in India. I loved being the part of Speaking Tree, this retreat. It's amazing. It's really amazing, and I love the way they are encouraging people to get out of their shell and connect, and that's amazing. It's been a great platform to meet people from all over India, and I think personally for me, the takeaway is that I feel connected and I don't feel alone anymore. Thank you so much.
I am Pooja. I'm from Noida and I came here to attend this Speaking Tree Good Karma retreat. I would say that it was a very beautiful journey.
Retreat of the wellness being organized by the Speaking Tree. It's called the Good Karma Retreat. It's been a wonderful exposure. Thank you.
Beyond 2 weeks. Come on, be honest. I like that. I like that. Let me tell you, that's the best thing that has happened to you, and you've not realized it. 1, 2, and 3. अपने ही मन के साक्षी बनो. ये देखो कि मन में इस समय what is happening. सांस ले, your lungs should expand as much as it can. Nothing's going to happen to you, don't worry. And once the lungs expand, hold the breath as much as you can, and then when you release it forcefully.
Hi, this is Meenakshi from Bangalore. So I really enjoyed this session. Thank you.
I am Narena Dinesh Kumar. I am from Bangalore. I came for the Speaking Tree Spiritual Workshop. We enjoyed Swami Sukhabodhananda speech as well as Saraswati Ji and all other experts sessions. They put how the consciousness and the frequency are connected with our life. They explained and demonstrated. Really we enjoyed the session and refreshed ourselves.
तो इंडिगो ब्लू होता मैंने देखा है साधारण यहाँ कई आदमी अगर मैं उनका ले लूंगा तो इंडिगो ब्लू आ जाएगा यस ग्रीन येलो मॉडरेट है यहाँ तक तो ठीक है इसके नीचे जाना बहुत गड़बड़ है इसका मतलब है कि डिजीज आ गई अन्नमय कोश में आ गई ऑरेंज रेड का मतलब स्ट्रेसफुल मैक्सिमम अब आदमी का कुछ नहीं खाली इतना फोटो लेंगे अगर मान लो चक्र देना है किसी में सब चक्र है तो यहाँ पर रेड आ जाएगा यहाँ रेड आ जाएगा यहाँ रेड आ जाएगा कोई छोड़ तो रेड आ और पिंक और ग्रे आया तो वीकेस्ट पैर में हाथ पिंक एंड ग्रे आएगा और ब्लैक नो एनर्जी डेड मैन का या नॉन लिविंग ऑब्जेक्ट का ब्लैक ही आता है सबसे अच्छा जो है एक सिंपल एनर्जी मुद्रा ये मुद्रा करो दोनों हाथ से कैसे भी बैठो ऐसे भी और जब भी शरीर में तकलीफ हो ऊर्जा नहीं हो तो दुर्गा का नाम लो
Good Karma Retreat is a very good initiative. I must thank you. Basically, the Good Karma people, Speaking Tree, Times Internet, Astro Speak, they are all part of one family. They have taken a very good initiative by organizing, and this is first time ever that such good workshops are organized for the rank and file. Mass will get benefit, specialists will learn more, and practitioners will be getting the new art, because all of you masters here are unique in their own way. They are contributing in a full-fledged manner, and this is the best part, that all the participants are interacting, so the atmosphere has become vibrant.
I am Kushaldeep. I am a banker from Chandigarh. I attended this Good Karma Retreat by Times of India. The sessions were very good. Especially I liked the session by Swami Sukhabodhananda very much, and the yoga sessions were very good. The Vastu sessions, it was something very new for me. And the aura reading by Shri Surendra Kapoor, it was very good, it was amazing. I would request Times of India Speaking Tree Group to introduce these sessions, these more sessions in their next upcoming treats. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, Pratik Bajaj here. I am from Mumbai. This was the first time I attended a spiritual program for like say 3-4 days. I was an amateur before joining this program. After joining this program, I came to know what is consciousness, how to deal with the life situation, how to enjoy every moment of life. The main theme I got from the program is like life is, there is ups and downs in the life, but you need to enjoy every part of the moment.
Tell yourself in your mind that you are going to practice yoga and prepare yourself for the practice of yoga.
A treat is a gift you give to yourself, and a retreat is a gift that you give to yourself again. And the best gift that you can give to yourself is the gift of yourself. So, this Good Karma retreat organized by the Speaking Tree of the Times of India is a beautiful gift that you give to yourself, the gift of yourself. There are many highly acclaimed masters out here, and there are so many people out here who have come to connect with themselves.
You get to interact with the masters, you get to ask them questions, you get to know about them and get inspired at a very close range, lifestyle to lifestyle. So it's a great place to be, to meet, to find yourself, to find people with whom you can share yourself as you transform. It's like taking baby steps into transformation with the family of the Speaking Tree. And they give so much care, so much love to each and every person on the retreat. It's special treat for you.
I am Ajay Bhutika, Sri Rachna Bhutika from Bangalore. So through TUI Times of India group we are here in Bekal, and our experience throughout is very good. We have learned a lot of new things, good teachings to us. We have learned a lot.
I am Mayapan. This is Saujanya. We are from Bangalore.
We have come here for the first time. We wanted to experience the Speaking Tree workshop, and all the workshop went on very well. We enjoyed being here, and
actually it's amazing.
Truly a healing designed by the universe. We are not focusing on any symptoms here, that's what's beautiful and unusual about it. So this involves bringing you to an optimal state of balance and interacting with this fully comprehensive spectrum of reconnective healing frequencies, which consist of energy, light and information, put you into a state of complete coherence, balance, your complete state of wholeness. It's not a therapy, it's not a treatment, it does not focus on symptoms. So I don't have people coming and telling me, oh, I have a backache, can you cure it? It doesn't work like that. We are not diagnosing, we are not treating anything, we are not counseling. Somebody's like, oh, I can't even talk to you, you're not even going to give me a massage. What is this about? Because it's a hands-free session. We're simply interacting with the reconnective healing spectrum and bringing about healing.
Hi, I'm Jalpa Vitlani. I'm a Reconnective Healing Foundational Practitioner and practitioner of the Reconnection. It's been wonderful to be part of this beautiful endeavor by Speaking Tree. I'm an avid fan of Speaking Tree, and they've chosen the perfect backdrop and setting at the Taj Bekal in Kerala. It's a wonderful group of people, and so many people have experienced energy healing frequencies for the first time. It's a great privilege, honor to be here, and we've just finished a fabulous interactive session with the group. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Rajendra M. Tuteja. I'm from Raipur. I'm a dermatologist, and she's my wife, Jagjit. And for the first time, we attended such kind of program, and our experience was good.
Myself Sandeep Thakkar from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. First of all, I say thank you very much to Speaking Tree to organize such a wonderful event. The main thing is the property and the arrangement, and especially the staff of the Speaking Tree is very kind, very helping.
Our ego, we feel that, oh, I'm separate. God is not me, it is outside of me. Okay? God is not me, it is outside. Because of my ego, I feel I am separate. God is not me, I'm outside. मैं तो अश्विनी हूँ, मैं God कैसे हो सकता हूँ? Like that. State of mind immediately changes your energy level immediately. Okay, shall we do it?
My name is Nidhi and I'm from Bombay. I am presently a HR practitioner. I came across the Speaking Tree program through their advertisements, and the past few days has been really an enriching experience. Again, came in here with no sort of expectations, and I think as I was discussing with other people as well, there are lots of social stresses in life these days, and it's important to unveil yourself and get into and understand your truer inner self. So thank you, Speaking Tree.